Hi and welcome to our Teviot Row House renovation update. Today we're taking you behind the scenes to see how far the building works have progressed here. I'm Ash, your Students' Association President.
And I'm Lucy, Deputy University Secretary Students. An enormous amount of work has taken place over the last few months on Teviot, the oldest purpose-built students' union in the world. The renovation project is making huge improvements and preserving Teviot's unique history, protecting it for generations of students to come.
And we're super excited to let you know that Teviot will be reopening in spring 2026. So we want to take you behind the scenes and show you some of the completed building works on the top floor to give you a flavor of what to expect. We've made our way into the building and are now standing on the top floor in the newly refurbished bar. It's had a complete refit, and while it's still to be furnished, it's looking amazing, I think. We've installed new toilet facilities and renovated the terrace and bar spaces. There's so much more natural light, and we've installed new lighting as part of our commitment to improving energy efficiency, something that's continued throughout the entire building.
This is going to be a wonderful space for meeting and socialising.
So the entire space on the top floor will be perfect for events and will be open to our student community, staff, alumni and visitors. And it's already proving very popular, so you can get your event bookings in from April 2026. Our famous debating hall has been preserved and restored, and I really love this space. These huge stained glass windows, some of which have been hidden for decades, have undergone major restoration and have been reinstated in their full, colourful glory. Since there were only a few select craftspeople in Scotland who could undertake this work, the company brought in apprentices to assist them. So not only have we preserved these beautiful windows, we've also trained the next generation of skilled craftspeople to maintain this specialist trade.
Repairs to the stonework in front of the library bar and dining room have been completed. We want to ensure Teviot is accessible as possible. The new entrance ramp from Bristow Square is taking shape, and once the upgrade works are complete, almost all areas will become freely accessible to wheelchair users.
And one of the most exciting changes is this new entrance to the rear of Teviot. We've transferred what was previously boarded up bay windows to make the lower ground bar much more accessible, while retaining Teviot's historic character.
We hope you will enjoy socialising and using the spaces to help forge many memories during your time here at the University of Edinburgh.
Many thanks to our estates colleagues and building contractors who've been working so hard. Over the coming months, we'll keep you updated on further progress.